I am Dr. R.K. Rawal, a senior consultant physician, going to address about a disease which causes 1 in 5 deaths in India, a coronary artery disease, or in simple words, a heart attack. Now, it is very important for us to understand what are the risk factors, and to understand the risk factors, we should also know what we can do and what we cannot do to prevent or delay the disease. The various risk factors are a family history where the siblings or the parents have had a heart disease quite younger age, then blood pressure, diabetes mellitus, obesity, that is overweight, and a metabolic syndrome, which is a combination of diabetes, blood pressure, and obesity. Important to control cholesterols and triglycerides well. Lipids are very important to manage. They are one of the very important risk factors for causing a heart disease. Then cigarette smoking, active or passive both, very injurious, and it is always, whenever you take a pack of cigarettes, it is written there that it kills. Another risk factor is a sedentary life, which can be taken care of by doing a physical activity, and the minimum is 30 minutes of walking every day. Out of all these risk factors, there is only one where you cannot do anything, that is a family history. You cannot change your family history, but all other risk factors can be taken care of by managing your diabetes, managing your blood pressure, managing your cholesterols, and doing physical exercise, not smoking. And along with the the risk factors, one should know what are the symptoms of the disease. Now, there are certain symptoms which appear much before the heart attack actually happens to you. Now, that symptom which happens to you before is when on walking a shorter distance, let us say about 100 meters, one starts feeling shortness of breath or pain in chest or some tightness in chest. That is a time when one should understand that the killer disease is going to knock on your door very soon. Now, this is about symptoms warning you. Now, symptoms when it happens to you are pain in the chest. Now, understand that pain in the chest will be on the left side, which will be squeezing in nature, associated with cold sweats, pain radiating to the left arm, pain radiating to your neck, pain going to your jaw, or pain going towards the back of your chest, squeezing pain, squeezing in nature, and also cold sweats. When you get these symptoms, one should get alert that this can be heart. Mostly people start associating this with some indigestion, gastric, which are absolutely different. But understanding that these are the symptoms of a heart attack, these can also be associated with sudden fatigue and some lightheadedness or dizziness. And once this happens to anybody, it is very important to approach your doctor as close to your place as possible because first 2 hours are the golden hours for the treatment, where the interventional cardiologist can recanalize your coronary arteries which have caused this. Understand that first 2 hours are important, and if these 2 hours are wasted by your self-analyzing whether it is a heart attack or not, you can cause a damage to the muscles of your heart. So be aware, know what we can do, know what we cannot do. We cannot change our heredity. We can control our diabetes, we can control our hypertension, we can control our lipids, and if we know what are the symptoms, if we recognize our symptoms, we reach the doctor in time, I think life thereafter can be much easy. Thank you.